Hey guys, about 7:45 in the morning. I thought I'd take an early morning walk down the other beach opposite Al Nang, which is Nopparat Beach, and have a look what's down there. A lot of the businesses, as you can see, look like they closed down. They're still open.
Yeah, open.
You sell umbrella here?
Yes.
When I come back I want to get one. Okay, thank you, Carl. There's quite a few like this one here. I've eaten here back in 2019. It used to be a really nice place, obviously with the situation going on. You can see the Luna Beach bar still over there. They're probably doing well over there. They've been there for ages. We'll cross over and go over, walk down the beach side. Nopparat Beach is a bit underrated, to be honest, in the area. A lot more people go to Al Nang, but I prefer relaxing here at night rather than Al Nang, because it's super busy down Al Nang, and here it's dead quiet. Everyone says the beach is better in Al Nang, but I'll take you down the beach now, and I think the beach here is actually a bit better. Just around the corner to the left of here, there's a bridge back there that I came over. There's a pier, and you can get your island tours from there in the mornings as well. Yeah guys, nice, you can just chill out here. You see the tide's going out rapidly there. I'm noticing around here guys, even the family marts are closed up on most sides of the road. I don't know if that's permanent or... yeah, it's permanent. They've got all blacked out windows, so they've not really survived. A few 7-Elevens as well. It's quite bad, to be honest. Around different seaside places and towns in Thailand, they all have a bit of a big statue like this, which is like a mascot. So if you go down to Krabi town, there's some crabs. Go to Al Nang, there's a swordfish, and obviously Nopparat Beach has the seashell. Massive as well guys, absolutely huge that. And nice chilling spots here where Thais usually sit and hang out at night time. You've got all your islands out there. I don't know if the camera's picking them up well. You've got tons of islands out in the distance. Here guys on what this actually is. The shellfish that's up there on that podium as such is actually like a national food around the Krabi area, it says. So I guess I don't know if that's means crabs, the local thing for Krabi town. Don't know if you hear that, guys, but I can hear some music going on from somewhere, so something's open. Yeah, guys, this is where all the restaurants are usually set up down here. They're halal style restaurants and fried chicken and stuff, so it looks like nearly everything's closed. But I'm going to carry on having a walk down. Might as well just have a morning walk and have a look what's going on down here at this time. Hopefully there's no soy dogs along here, because this is where I got chased last time.
I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tasting with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knocking. I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Bougie stuck up in my way, singing Gucci gang. Gucci gang. Think I'm Gucci Mane. I'm just playing in the cut, I got my Vans on. I'm not selfish, I get on and put my mans on. Always greedy since the day I got my first safe. 5'7", but I'm 6'8" when I stand on the money pals. Need a money counter, I broke my thumb from thumbing down. Wifey on my line, she told me to dumb it down. Mama on my line, asking how I'm dumbing now.
Pretty cool find that. Always find little things in the middle of nowhere. And I've just spotted these over here as well. 2 Harleys. Are they real Harleys? Yeah, definitely are, guys. Absolutely awesome. That one there, so cool. So they must have been part of the show that was going on here the other day. Oh, what an awesome find though, down here. I wish I was here in time for the bike show. That would have been bloody brilliant content, that. But unfortunately I've got down here late. It's been raining for 2 days, which is giving me a bit of an headache, but I'm just trying to get out and find things to do. I want to go and look for a chicken place later up Al Nang that another vlogger that I've been watching for a few years, Joel Bruner's, recommended. He said there's a place up that does hot yai chicken and sticky rice. I'm gonna head up there after, probably later this afternoon. We'll have a further walk down the road and see if there's anything else further down, guys. See you later, peace. You look for this Al Nang landmark place as well, guys. If you want to do some Muay Thai training, this big grey building right here is a Muay Thai gym. There's a decent gentleman in there with his little son looking for people to train. So if you're down for a week or something, just go do a few mornings, keep fit or something. I done it a few years ago when I came down. It was brilliant just to do it every morning. I've done it for 14 days. You lose lots of weight, you'll feel great. Yeah, right there, big grey building. This is the place I was saying where the Muay Thai gym is, guys. Just straight down there. There's a night market that forms up here later on. I'll come down and have a look at that when I can as well.
I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Bougie stuck up in my way, singing Gucci gang.
Morning, cup. You okay? Coffee? Oh. I'll come back. I'm just going to make video and come back this way again. I'll stop. Cool. Yeah. You have a party at night time? Yeah. Yeah, small. Yeah, guys, there's still a few places open down here at night time as well. I think this is part of the market that I was talking about. Yeah, this is the market that I usually come to right here. But that's only on about 5-6 o'clock at night, I think it is. It stretches all the way down. This is all part of that car park I've just pointed out to you, the Al Nan landmark. As you can see, it's straight opposite the beach. Beach is right there, market's right here, and all the way down. You've even got a KFC there if you fancy a bit of KFC in the morning, right there across the road. Bubble tea and coffee shop there.
No rock star with these leather pants, I'm AC/DC. When I die, I bet they love me, but hate me when I'm breathing. I think you only love me cause I'm popping. This a layup, this a rebound, that's rubbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rocking. When I link with ballpoint.
You have to go right to the end down there. You've got another pier down there where you can get boats down to the 4 islands and stuff like that. And there's also a little beach, I call it the Thai beach. Right down to the bottom down there, there's a beach that kind of stretches in between 2 pieces of water, the ocean and like an inlet, and that's where all the Thais chill out and swim. There's loads of little ice cream shops and stuff like that there as well. It's a better place to go really than Al Nang and that if you want a bit of peace and quiet. And then if you fancy it, you can jump on, just head straight out to all the islands out there. But yeah guys, I'm gonna head back down Al Nang way now. Probably get some breakfast in a couple of hours. I'm doing a 16-hour fast still while I'm here in Thailand, which is a bit hard with the heat and everything, but I'm managing to do it, losing quite a bit of weight. I love it. So I can't eat till about 10, 11 o'clock. So I just thought I might as well just exercise, burn more fat off by not eating and bloody walking, drinking water.
Always greedy since the day I got my first safe. 5'7", but I'm 6'8" when I stand on the money pals, money pals, money pals. Need a money counter, I broke my thumb from thumbing down. Wifey on my line.
I was trying to film them birds there guys, but they weren't having it.
I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rocking.
I don't know what this place is here, guys. Looks like a little coffee shop here. Looks awesome, chill up there. Calm. It looks like it's been closed down for a while. Yeah, there's nothing in there. Absolutely dead inside there. Could go up there and have a look, but I'm not vlogging the dead horse. I'm not climbing into other people's property. But yeah, I bet it was beautiful up there back in the day, sitting, chilling, having a nice coffee or mocha. But I think all these places will come back. I think in a month or two, when they lighten the restrictions, this place is going to go back to normal. It can't not do. It's an absolutely amazing place. So I'll have to come back around about November and see what it's like then.